Hey guys, Linda Vodder here. Well, it is a beautiful day in my neighborhood and it's about to get a lot more beautiful. I am so pumped. We're getting ready to do an entire landscape makeover with Southern Living Plant Collection plants in front of this gorgeous Georgian home right across the street from me. It's a quintessential Southern beauty, and we're going to use quintessential Southern plants all from the collection. We're using things like white wedding hydrangeas, encore azaleas, obsession nandinas, baby gem boxwood is going to be just an explosion of color and texture in that kind of color echo feel that I just absolutely adore in a landscape. It's going to be spectacular, and we're going to share every step of our design process with you. How we were motivated to select the plants that we did, why we selected them, the installation, the entire process. And I hope that you'll join us, follow along as we create this beautiful landscape in front of a very beautiful Southern home.